Hey, listen to me, young man. I swear on my company's name, I'm not paying a dime. You hear me? Get out!
Babe. What is it?
This is crazy now. This is crazy. What kind of corrupt people do we have in this country? Can you imagine? My goods worth 21 million naira has been seized by the custom. And they are demanding for 3 million naira for them to release my goods.
Why? Do you have contraband in it?
No, I don't. I don't have any contraband goods inside. I don't do stuff like that. My stuffs are always clean. See, it's not like I don't have the money to pay them. Do you understand? It's outrageous. This is wickedness. This is the height of it. That's why we are always clamoring for new government.
Yes.
A new government that will then bring light to the society.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes,
I don't like all of these things.
Babe, I understand everything you're saying, okay? But you know how this country works. Listen, you have to pay them. I mean, you can't lose goods worth 21 million naira because of 3 million. So now you need to think like a man. You need to think smart here.
See, babe, you know I do a lot of things at the same time.
I know.
And right now, I can't really place my hand on any cash. Do you understand? So, no. It's not right. I can't do that.
Okay, you know what? I'll give you the money. All right?
No, don't do that. I do not want to drag my woman into my affairs. Do you understand? It's my affairs.
It's fine.
I will handle it myself.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Do you understand? No, I don't.
No, it's fine. I mean, I'm happy. At least you told me about it. You're not keeping secret. You're not. I'm okay with it. Okay, it's my money. I will give it to you. Then you pay me back whenever you feel like paying me back. All right?
No.
You have to take it.
No.
Come on, stop acting like one boss. Yeah, you have to take it. You take the money, and you clear your goods. And when you have it, you pay my money back. All right?
No.
What's no? Come on, stop. It's fine, don't worry. We'll clear it.
Thank you, babe girl.
You're welcome.
What you just did now, you just saved my soul.
Oh.
That's why I call you my creamberry.
Ooh.
Now come here, let me give you some TLC. Come again. Another one, baby.
I love
baby.
you.
Come on, give me a hug, baby.
I mean, I don't understand you girls. This is my money we're talking about. I worked for it. So whoever I chose to spend it with is none of your business. Please.
Honey, nobody is disputing that fact. All we are saying is, you just met this guy. Yes, he's from a notable family. But you still have to dig deep before entrusting such funds to him.
Nora, you don't even know this guy. He hasn't taken you to his house. So? You have not met his family. At least if you have met his family, it will give you a little bit of security. That's what we're trying to say, baby.
And baby girl, it's a one step at a time thing. Okay, I mean, I have discussed this with him. So chill, relax.
Nora, we all know what we are shying away from. And
what? And what now? Babe, see, listen. I love Patrick. And I feel good. I feel secured around him. Please, let this not linger, please. I mean, I'm only telling you guys this because you're my friends and we share secret, not because I want people to give me advice. No, I'm just telling you guys this. I've already made a decision. I beg, Mona, leave this matter. I beg, free him.
Fine, but at least it's...
But, no, I don't want that but. Remove that but. Just stop all this, please. I mean, enjoy your drink. If you don't want drink, when I go in the house, people should leave me alone because...
I don't want to have to do justice for my friend.
I'm not there.
It's you that I will do justice for.
Nora.
What is it?
It's so cold out there. Nobody cares how you feel.
It's a wonderful day. Walking with Jesus every step of the way. Feels like
Hey, Alpha.
Odogu, my man.
My guy.
Odogu.
What's in the happen now? This one when you say make I come from the store. What's in the happen?
Hey, the Lord is good, Odogu. Odogu, my guy. You know, I told you I was going to make it in life. Oh, this one, eh? Hey, oh, this one. You see, because you supported my small business while growing up, I decided to come and show you some love. What's this one? This one, eh? Hey, don't talk when I'm talking. I've made money, eh? Hey!
My guy.
Money is good, man.
This one when you hold him money like this, so you don't win Naira bets, I mean, Baba Ijebu.
Which Naira bets? Which kind of nonsense talk with that one? You don't forget the business where they make me come borrow clothes from you.
Which business apart from saying a woman they use and take go impress? Anyway, congratulations, Sha. But I hope say you not involve police because if you involve police, Makashiku.
Now which kind?
I got to Ama leave you.
Now which kind talk where they talk like this, eh? Odogu, why you they behave like this? Is it the problem with people like you? That's why you will never get rich. You're not gonna make them for life because you are not smart.
Back to sender.
Do you understand? Anyway, make I leave you. I feel we need to change that your name from Odogu to Opanko.
Be like say your head. Not because say you don't wear fine clothes. Don't go borrow wrist ring for hand. Not be make you come upgrade past me. Not forget where me and you they come from. Lest I forget. You remember Essay now? Essay can't look for you yesterday.
What do you mean that?
Essay now, your Shimanto now, your babe when you do someone quick.
Essay kill you there.
See me see wahala. It be like say, I go tell Essay say you don't show. See your face, monkey. See as you dey waka. You don't get belle self.
Baby girl.
Yeah.
My cranberry. You know you have a very smooth skin.
Ooh.
Yeah. And I want our children to have your beauty.
And I want my girls to look like you because I don't want them to be fat.
Fat? Who says you're fat?
Of course I'm fat.
No. I like the way you are.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
You look smooth. And you look edible.
Ooh. I love you, baby.
I love you more, my cranberry. Come here, come to daddy. That's wonderful. Before I forget, when am I getting the money?
Let's say on Friday, because I have some issues with my account and my accountant is working on it. So by Thursday, I'm very sure everything will be working fine. Then I can make the transfer.
All right. That's not a problem. It's not a problem at all.
Hi, baby.
Thank you, baby girl.
I should be the one thank you. I mean, you've been so good to me.
You've been the best woman in the world.
And you're the best man in the whole. Easy.
Do you want me to be easy with you?
Easy, tiger.
All right, I'm done. Oh, my phone.
Okay. Who's
Don't
calling?
mind them. He's one of these people who like begging for money.
Oh, at least just speak and hear what the person has to say.
They
now.
like stressing me a lot. I don't want that.
Yeah, so pick the call. It's still ringing.
You know, we're having a nice time.
I know, babe. Just speak and hear the person now.
Hello, Patty. This is the worry you now. Hey, come go since calling me this person and stuff like that. Eh? If I come back here now, photo now, fire you.
Patrick!
Oh, baby girl, how you doing?
Do not touch me! Don't touch me! So you're married?
I'm not married. I don't even know this person. I'm not married. Maybe it's one of those persons who make mistakes when they dial people's number.
Yeah?
And then it gets to be...
Just shut up! Don't you dare touch me. Do not touch me. Don't call me that.
Calm down, I can explain.
Do I look like a fool to you?
No, you're not. You know I love you very much.
Don't touch me. Patrick, get out of my house. Get out!
Wait now. I can explain. This I don't even know this person. What should I be doing with this person? Can't you see the way she sounded very local?
Patrick, get out! Patrick, get out of my house! Get out of my house! Do you want me to push you out?
No, wait.
Do you want me to... Okay.
I wanna know what love is. Can someone tell me now what it is, Yeah, it's all cold out there.
It's okay, baby.
Nobody cares how you feel.
You know we're always here for you, right? I hate to say it, but I told you. It's okay.
It's fine. Am I crying? Why are you guys making me feel like... it's okay.
I know you.
It's fine. I'm okay.
Fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Do you need something to eat? Probably we should make something.
I'm okay. I'm
for you.
okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm doing great.
Baby girl.
I love you.
We know you are not fine, but we're always here for you anytime you want to talk, right? Right.
No, baby, we love you so much.
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
We love you.
Be strong.
Huh? I know.
You'll be fine.
No.
Let's make.
It's so nice to finally meet you. You're so handsome.
And you're beautiful as well.
Wow. Probably something to share up. What do you think?
It's Amy.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
No, please don't do this. Please.
Okay, I'm fine.
It will be fine,
I'm
alright?
not like you. You're just.
It's gonna be better.
I'm not okay either. Baby, it's okay. What are friends for? We are here to cheer you up, right?
Love you so much.
See?
Patrick.
Come on now.
In the midst of the crowd, yeah, yeah. I feel like I'm going insane. Yeah, I'm going insane. I'm going insane, yeah. And I feel like the whole world is torn against me. Would you tell me where is my place? Tell me now. Where is my place in the hearts of love? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Why can nobody take me the way I am?
You must give me the money before I come up for here. You must give me the money. Where you leave me go? Now I don't know. You leave me, you and that your Ajubo girlfriend. Now thunder go fire you now.
Essay, what thing they do you, sir? Now what thing they worry you? Eh? Since I just meet you, now so bad luck I just the jam. What thing be your problem now? Leave me make a rest.
So me wey be say I be bad luck.
Yes now.
When they chop you, they sweet. You don't know say I be bad luck, abi?
When I they chop you talk say the thing go pay you later. Huh?
Wait, no give me that money. Now when you go know say thunder, eh? Me wey be bad luck. Thunder will fire you now.
Now you go fire.
Give me
you
that
go fire
money.
you. Fire everybody to the house.
Give me money.
I say.
Give me money.
I never sell market now.
You must give me that money, Patrick.
I never sell market. Allow me to sell market
you
first
must give
now.
me market where? I never chop since yesterday. You must give me that money. You don't even.
Oh, you take bread, go chop now. No be bread food for you.
I won't go at Neta.
They good now.
Give
Go
me
tell them say I miss send.
Give me money. Give me
I
money.
don't know money now. What they owe me for
This
now?
I will come up for you. This I dey shame. I know they shame.
Which kind of rubbish thing be this now? Which kind of problem be this? I say, I be titled man. Come on, half my money.
I be like as people they watch us, Abi. You like am?
Come on, half my money.
Give me money. Give me money, man. I go now.
See, now because of this belly, you carry now for don't slap you since.
Do am now.
I say, come on, half my money.
Do am.
Why can nobody take the way I am? Oh, yeah.
Why is this always happening to me? Why am I so unlucky when it comes to men? Why? What is wrong with me? Why me? Why?
Honey, it's okay. Thank God you never gave him the money. It would have been worse. God. Men are just too mean and wicked.
I hate to say it, but now we're doing justice for Nora.
Amanda.
Can't you see he has a trick in his name? Pats, the tricker, Patrica. Thank God he didn't succeed though. It would have been worse. That's why I never supported this blind date of a thing. But anyways, let me advise you, baby. It's better you just stop chasing after men. Let the real ones find you. I know they will definitely find you. The ones who know your worth, who value your worth, they will truly surface in no time. Right?
Yes, Nora.
I'm tired.
You can't.
I am tired.
Nora,
Honestly, I am.
You can't be tired. Just focus on your beautiful career and work. Don't worry, right man will find you. After we're never lucky with any relationship until we met Emeka and Tony.
Yeah.
God will give you your own.
You know
Don't
the
worry.
story.
I think I know what to do. My cousin, she said she wanted to come over for the holiday, so I will just let her come because I can't stay alone in this house. I need someone around. It's a lot. I'm just tired.
I think I like that idea.
Me too.
Just let them come.
Jambu! Jambu! Please open the gate. Someone is there. Oh, Shishi! My baby! My love, how are you? I mean, look at you. You're so grown. Turn around, let me see. Oh my God, my brother is really taking care of you. I need to give him his credit.
Yeah,
look at you. I mean, you look so good.
Thank you, Big Sis. You should. Big Sis, it feels good to be here.
I know,
How are
right?
you doing?
I'm good. Thank God for life. You're welcome.
I'm so happy to be here. I hope there's food because I'm very, very famished. Like, really, really famished.
You want food? There is food. We have plenty of it. Just go in, freshen up, and I'll serve you. Okay?
Thank you, sis.
You're welcome, my love. Huh?
I'm happy to see you.
You are a foodie. I miss you more. No, Mr. Victor, you don't tell me how to react. Do not. Don't tell me that. Oh, Jesus. Please, I'm taking you to the hospital, please.
You are lucky he didn't die, you. It would have been a different case altogether.
I swear to God. Yeah, thank God though. Like, God, I thank you.
Well, it's worth it, at least. How is he faring now?
He's fine. The doctor said he will be discharged by the weekend, but there is a problem.
What is the problem again?
So we talked, and I discovered that he's a graduate.
Okay.
That he's homeless for now, and
there we go again.
Can you let me finish?
All right.
Can I
go
talk?
Go on.
The only person he knows in this city, which is his uncle, threw him out of the house because of his wife. You know now, we make palava. So he was walking aimlessly on the street when I knocked him down.
Yeah.
I am thinking of...
Of what? You what?
I am thinking of bringing him in to stay with us until he sorts himself out.
It's okay. Have a good heart.
Yeah, she actually does.
What are we going to do? Nothing. Just pray for God to be working.
Amen. He will. He will.
Just be careful.
I will.
I wanna know what love is. Can someone tell me now what it is, what it is? Yeah. It's so cold out there. nobody cares how you feel. I've been broken so many times. When I fall, I will rise again and ask myself, oh yeah. The question keep coming on and on, Where do I go? Who do I trust? Tell me, where is my place in the hearts of love? Tell me, where is my place? Yeah. Why can nobody take me the way I am? Oh, yeah. Where is my place in the hearts of love? I wanna know, yeah. Why can nobody take me the way I am?
Oh, wow. Melvin, you're up already.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Good morning.
I hope you slept well.
Yeah, I did. I mean, but you don't have to do this now. I already had plans of dropping by the car wash. You don't have to.
You know I don't have much doing around. Besides, you can't keep patronizing these car wash guys. I mean, considering the price of fuel now. So, you know.
It's okay. It's fine. Please, I'll check your CV in the evening and make sure you remind me. You know I'm very busy.
So grateful.
All right.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
Do have a great day.
No problem. Take care of yourself and be good. All right. All right. Bye.
Bye. Ma.
Maybe so this is what you have resolved at. Sit around the house, press phone all day. Instead of going out there to get a job like your mate, like a graduate you are.
Chichi, what on earth have I done to you? Like, what is it you hold against me? Ever since I stepped my feet into this house, it's been just problem with you. What is wrong? What have I done to you? Can you be blunt? Just talk to me.
You're asking me?
Yes.
You don't need to ask. Go out there and get a job. Can't you see you don't have any job in this house? Leave the house. Yes, leave. When I say leave, I mean go out there and get a job and not going inside the house. That's all you know how to do. Pressing for fun. Only you that have fun in this house.
Girl, I mean, I am beginning to like this guy. He is such a hard-working man. Can you believe before I woke up this morning, he cleaned the whole compound, even washed my car. You know, my cousin barely do anything in the house because, I mean, Melvin is around, he does all the dishes. He even cook for us. Can you imagine that?
Really?
Yes.
Alright, it's so sweet. So tell me, have you been able to find a place for him yet?
Not at the moment, but not like I haven't seen some places. I mean, I've seen some places, sure, but I don't just want to give him any kind of job. I want to take my time and pick a good job, a nice job. I mean, a well-to-do job that comes with, you understand?
Yes.
Security and all. I just want to give him somewhere that befits a man of his stature. You understand me?
Yes, yes. Nora, you are so kind.
Come on, girlfriend. You are kind as well. I mean, you are kind too. You've been here for me 1,000 a billion times, and I really appreciate that. And God bless you.
Just fill this one, then you sign it there.
I'll sign here.
Yes, yes. Okay, so turn to the other side.
Good evening, sis.
Then what about the next page?
What is wrong with you? Where are your manners? Don't you know how to greet well? I mean, I'm talking to you.
Good evening, sis. Good evening, Melvin.
Good evening.
Come. I have been noticing your sudden change of attitude, but I purposely decided to ignore. I mean, I would not tolerate you disrespect or disregard my friends. Am I clear? This is my house. So you have to live by my rules and regulations. If you feel like you are too big or you're not a big girl, then you go to your father's house and do that. They're not here. Am I clear here? So now you apologize. I'm talking to you.
I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Good. Please, you can go to the kitchen. There is food there.
That was rather too harsh.
Please. Don't even go there. Please. I just have to correct her now. Because if I don't, this will persist. Please. Let's do what we're doing. So, like I was saying.
I wanna know what love is. Can someone tell me now what it is, what it is? Yeah. It's all cold out there. Nobody cares how you feel. Yeah. I've been broken so much. It's all cold out there. Nobody cares how you feel. Yeah. I've been broken so many times. When I fall, I'll rise again and ask myself, oh yeah. The question keep coming on and on, coming on and on. Where do I go? Who do I trust? Tell me, where is my place? Where is my place in the hearts of love? Tell me, where is my place? Yeah. Why can nobody take me the way I am? Oh, yeah. Where is my place in the hearts of love? I wanna know who will hear the silence of my heart in the midst of the crowd. Yeah. I feel like I'm going insane. Yeah, I'm going insane. I'm going insane, yeah. And I feel like the whole world is turned against me. Would you tell me where is my place? Tell me now. place in the hearts of love. Oh, yeah, yeah. Why can nobody take me the way I am? Why can nobody take me the way I am? Where is my place in the hearts of love? Where is my place? Why can nobody